Hey there ninjas, I'm Stephanie Stiavetti from Fearless Fresh, and today we're going to talk about a really fun, really simple project, and it's how to make cottage cheese at home. It's so easy, it literally takes like 5 minutes worth of work. So it's a great way to use up excess buttermilk that you've got hanging out after making like biscuits or something else with buttermilk. And I know that a lot of us end up with excess buttermilk during the holidays because we put buttermilk in all sorts of holiday recipes. So if you end up with extra buttermilk, this is how you can make your own cottage cheese. Basically what you do is you put the buttermilk in a pot and then you heat it. And that's it. It separates. You end up with curds and whey. Then you put the curds in like a cheesecloth or a napkin or something that you can strain them with, and then you let all the liquid strain out, and then you have curds. And then you can add a little bit of heavy cream back. You can add salt. You can add, I like adding a little bit of lemon or chopped herbs. And then you end up with this beautiful homemade cottage cheese, and you didn't waste your buttermilk. It's pretty incredible. So somewhere on this page, you will find a recipe for this, but you almost don't need it because it's that easy. So find the recipe, check it out, and be sure to visit Fearless Fresh, which is the place to go if you want to learn how to become a faster, more creative, more effective home cook.